So what's up, everyone? Welcome back. You know who this is, the speaker. Today we're diving into something a bit different, but super important. And for you, the viewers, about disclaimers, especially for AI generated art content. But don't worry, this isn't going to be a boring legal talk. We're going to just jump right into it and have a little fun, engaging, and yes, there will be some amazing AI artwork for adults. That's why we're talking about disclaimers. So check this out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world to me. It really does. So please help my channel grow. Let us know what you want in the comments, and we'll bring it right to you. When I say we, I'm talking about me and you engaging. That's how we are going to get it to you. Gotta engage, people. Let me know what's up, alright? I'm gonna hook you up. Please engage with me, guys. Hey, let me do the research, people, please. Help me help you. I'm here for you, the viewers. Come on, what do you need? Challenge me. Anything. Whatever you... Oh, man. I don't know what else to do, guys. Have a little heart. Help me out. Halloween's coming up. It's my favorite time of the year. And so I thought that you know, for match with Halloween coming up. And also, you know, it's important to have disclaimers. They've been doing this stuff for years. But now you're able to do it with AI. It's very remarkable. In a matter of seconds. I think I saw that guy in Star Wars. Did this on purpose. It's called humor. Next video, I'm going to tell you exactly where to make these, so you can go ahead and make some passive income selling comic books. You can do that. Yeehaw!
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All AI-generated art showcased here is created using legal and ethical methods. The AI tools and techniques demonstrated are intended to inspire creativity and provide insights into generating passive income through various mediums such as t-shirts, prints, and other merchandise. Please note that while AI-generated art can be a valuable asset, it is crucial to ensure that the content does not infringe on any copyrights, trademarks, or other intellectual property rights. Always verify that your AI-generated art is original and does not replicate or closely resemble existing works. By following the guidelines and best practices shared in this video, you can confidently create and monetize your AI art while respecting legal boundaries and maintaining ethical standards.